Hey guys, I want to show you guys today this dark bag. It's a thinner version than the one I had previously. One of the reasons why I brought it is also because it's more portable, because the thick material before this makes it hard to bring around. So this is like this is thinner than before, so you can fold it smaller, so you can bring it outside with you. So show you guys the material. So this is the item, and actually it's actually not that super thin. It's still relatively thick. It's like double layer, so still okay. So it basically does its job of maintaining like a dark, how to say, maintaining darkness lah within it. That's the function of darkness, to have darkness, to have a compartmentalized darkness. That's what it's for. So yeah, the zipper is like this, so I'm gonna zip it back. Okay, then here there's a velcro where you can double seal it. See, double seal. Then the top part is like this, where you can put your hand. It's actually also double layered, so there's two, how to say, there's one slot inside and one slot outside, so it grabs your hand firmly like this when you put your hand inside. So I'm not sure if I can show a wider angle. Okay, let me remove the, yeah, so this is the wide angle of the item. And yeah, so you just put your hand inside, then you can do your thing inside the bag lah. So it's actually it's a pretty basic product. I think this video mainly is to show you guys how this material. So the material is a smooth type of material, and it's double layered. Yeah, overall it's pretty good quality, and I'm selling this at a very good price. So if you want this, you can reach out to me. Any question you can ask me, and if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone for watching this. Bye, God bless, see you.